Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G55 and let me show you how to change video resolution. So at first open your camera app. Now go to video panel and now over here you can smoothly change the quality and FPS. Just by tapping you can do it. You can also enroll settings and here just click on okay, so we've got that at the top of the list resolution, and here you can change it for both front and back camera. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.